What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your Wi-Fi is not showing up or not connecting at all on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, type Internet Properties in your taskbar search and hit enter. In your Control Panel Internet Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab and select Restore Advanced Settings. This will restore your network settings and should enable you to properly connect your network connection. Don't forget to apply your changes. When this is done, you can close this window and search for network status and hit enter. On this window, select Change Adapter Options. Here, you should make sure that your network adapter is enabled. In case it's disabled, then make sure to restart your PC after enabling it. Next, make sure that your network adapter driver is up to date. Search for Device Manager in your taskbar search. On this window, expand Network Adapters. Double-click the network adapter you failed to connect to, and here, in the Driver tab, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for updated driver software. In case it's still not working, then search for CMD and hit enter to open up your commands prompt. All of the commands will be listed in the description below. Use the command netsh win sock reset. This command will reset your network adapter. Next, use the command netsh int IP reset resetlog.txt. You can then quit out of your command prompt and your network should be visible to your OS. Search for a network in your Start menu search to open up your Wi-Fi settings. Here, Wi-Fi should be enabled. Under Hardware Properties, make sure that the IP assignment option is set to automatic, as well as your DNS server assignment option. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.